The exhaust gasket seals the muffler to the cylinder. The graphite gasket both prevents the hot exhaust gases from leaking and is a heat shield that directs the muffler heat away from the engine. The gasket will tear when the muffler is removed and should be replaced each time. Replacing the exhaust gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spark plug. Now remove the engine cover. Now I can remove the muffler. Now I can install the new exhaust gasket. Now reinstall the engine cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the spark plug. And that's how you can replace the exhaust gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.